Hello, good morning dear students. Today we are discuss on compartment models. Under this compartment model, we study what is the mathematical model, what is the compartment model, classification of pharmacokinetic models, classification of compartment model, one compartment open model, two compartment open model, and references. First is the mathematical model. Mathematical model description of biological system and is used to express quantitative relationships. It is a collection of mathematical quantities, operations and relations together with their definitions, and they must be realistic and practical. It is a hypothesis that employs mathematical terms to concisely describe quantitative relationship. Qualities of mathematical model. First is the validity. It should have practical applicability and should be valuable in describing events chosen accurately with high precision. Prediction ability. These models predict the qualitative and quantitative changes in these parameters that are rate, constant and half-lives of drugs. Computability. Easily evaluated. Consistency of result. Reproducibility is an important quality of mathematical model. Applications of pharmacokinetic models. It helps in characterizing the behavior of drug in patient, in calculating the optimum dosage regimen for individual patients, for evaluating the bioequivalence between different formulation of same drug, in determining the influence of altered physiology or disease state on drug ADME, and also helps in explaining the drug interactions. Types of pharmacokinetic models. Pharmacokinetic models are classified as compartment model, physiological model, non-compartment analysis. Compartmental models is a group of tissues with similar blood flow and drug affinity. It is physiological or anatomic reasons. Compartment is the traditional and most widely used approach to pharmacokinetic characterization of drug. These models simply interpolate the experimental data and allow an empirical formula to estimate the drug concentration with time. Assumptions for compartmental model. First, body is represented as a series of compartments arranged in series or parallel to each other. The rate of movement between compartments is described by first order kinetics. The rate constants are used to represent rate of entry into and exit from compartment. A statistical analysis of plasma concentration time data is another method used to find out number of compartments. Next one is it is a simple and flexible approach and is widely used. It gives a visual representation of various rate process involved in drug disposition. It is useful in predicting drug concentration time profile in both normal and pathological conditions. It is useful in relating plasma drug level in therapeutic and toxic effect in body. Its simplicity allows for ease tabulation of volume of distribution, half-life, etc. Types of compartment model. Based on arrangement in parallel or series, the compartmental model are classified as mammillary model, quaternary model, open model, closed model. Mammillary model. This is the most common compartment used in pharmacokinetic. The model consists of one or more peripheral compartments connected to a central compartment. The central compartment consists of plasma and highly perfused tissues in which drug distribute rapidly. The number of rate constant in a particular compartment is given by R. For intravenous administration, R is equal to 2n minus 1. For extravascular administration, R is equal to 2n, where n is the number of compartments. Mammillary model presentation as input of drug in body and distribution of drug from plasma to fatty tissue and muscular tissue, and also excretion from the central compartment. Depiction of various models. Model 1, one compartment open model, IV injection. The equation used log C is equal to log C naught minus KET divided by 2.303. Excretion of drug. Model 2, one compartment open model with first order absorption. Equation use C is equal to KAF X naught divided by VD bracket start KA minus KE bracket close and bracket start e power minus KET minus E powered by minus KAT. Ka is the absorption rate constant, Ke is the excretion constant. Depiction of various model other. Two compartment open model, IV injection. In this, two compartments are central and peripheral. The movement of drug between central and peripheral compartment is represented by rate constant K12 and K21. 12 represent transfer from center to peripheral and 21 represent peripheral to central compartment. K13 represent the elimination. Two compartment open model with first order absorption. In this case, drug is given by oral route and follows two compartment. Quaternary model. In this model, compartments are joined to one another in a series like compartments. This model is directly linked to blood and this model is rarely used as shown in the figure. X1, X2, X3. And excretion of drug may be from one compartment, two compartment, three, or all of the three. Absorption is from one compartment. Advantages of this compartment modeling. It gives a visual representation of various rate process involved in drug disposition. It shows how many rate constants are necessary to describe these processes. It enables the pharmacokinetist to write differential equation for each of rate processes in order to describe drug concentration change in each compartment. It is useful in predicting drug concentration time profile in both normal physiological and pathological conditions. It is important in the development of dosage regimen. Disadvantages. The compartments and parameter bear no relationship with physiologic function or anatomic structures of species. Several assumptions have to be made to facilitate data interpretation. Extensive effort are required in development of exact model and depict, predict and describe correctly the ADME of a certain drug. The model is based on curve fitting of plasma concentration with complex multi-exponential mathematical equations. The model may vary within a study population. The approach can be applied only to a specific drug under study. The drug behavior within the body may fit different compartmental model depending on the route of administrations. Thank you.